I purchased a peach tree. I have not planted it yet because the weather is too cold. Are withered peach leaves toxic? I want to know that it is safe to plant in my backyard about 8 feet from my garden. And this is from Miss Leatrice. So she wants to know, are the withered peach leaves toxic? Because of course she has a garden, Ms. Joellen. So what do you think?
Well, come to find out, yes, peach tree leaves are toxic. They do contain some cyanide. And you're not supposed to let your pets eat them.
Right, no dogs, don't let your cats, horses.
Horses, cows, rabbits, no. But now 8 feet from her garden, is that, I'm more concerned if it's gonna shade her garden.
Oh, interesting, okay.
But it depends on what kind of garden she has too.
Right, yeah,
so, but when the leaves drop off the peach tree, I would tend to want to collect them because of all the disease problems that are prone to peaches, and collect them and put them either in its own place in the compost pile or just destroy them. But because I wouldn't just leave peach leaves lying around in any fruit trees.
Right.
You know, there's too much overwintering of disease problems with them.
That's right. Yeah, I would definitely practice good sanitation.
Yeah, that's one good thing. No, that's good though. No, like I said, 8 feet from the vegetable garden. Yeah, get those leaves from around that tree all the time. Just pick those up in there, and I think it should be okay and everything. As long as you get them up and everything around the tree, and if you don't have no big rain and then to wash them down, they should be okay. But put them in a compost pile, let them rot and decay for a while, and build up your heat. They should be okay, you think?
Okay. Right. So again, we're not saying there's going to be a problem in her garden per se.
No.
Right. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.